Welcome back. One of the elements that you'll see inside of boss mode is that there is a content summarizer. This will allow you to generate a summary for content up to 12,000 characters. However, you don't need to have boss mode in order to execute this process. If you go to the blog area, you will see that there's an element here called text summarizer. And what you can do here is you can place in 800 characters, and Jasper will then seek to summarize that content. So you can grab some of your content and you can copy it and move it back to Jasper. You can then add your content to Jasper. Again, now if you have boss mode, you can use this element without having to cut and paste different parts of your document. However, you can paste content here to have it summarized. We are now going to click Generate. And this time, we're only going to ask for one output. We're then going to click Generate. And what you'll notice here is that we now have a summary that we can use for a specific block of text. And we can do that for as much content as we are willing to paste into the text summarizer, unless we choose to use boss mode. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.